Hello, good morning, good morning, good morning, Empresses and Emperors. Hello, my plants are speaking to you. This will work. I got them on. I'm ready to put them on. I'm gonna put these bad boys on. I know it's gonna work. I know this is gonna work. This will work. Get me. Even though I got a doggone insect out here, this thing is still out here. I got citronella plants. I got all that stuff. And the mosquitoes is trying to do that on that big one. You know what I'm saying? They trying to get some of this good blood, baby. I don't know what's popping. You know, I guess they know what's popping. I guess. I don't know. I'm just trying to do what I need to do. Something. Just trying to get on up here and get on my body. You know what I'm saying? And I got to get all bit up by these good old mosquitoes. But it's fine, because we making this thing happen. You know? And let me go buy that cutter stuff too and put out a couple of plants, because I got some marigolds, of course, on clearance that I'm gonna put out. And marigolds are good for girl, they just good, okay? They good for something. Let's make sure it's rollable. Trying to skateboard. Okay. I like it a lot. Now, I just gotta do this one. That's it. One time for your friend. I don't know. Okay, so look. So when I do this, these gonna go on top of there. I don't feel like doing this today. Oh God. Let's take a break. So I went ahead and got these all together. So here's my oversized skateboard, I call it, both for these. And now I'm ready to go ahead and put these items in place. It's gonna fit in those garden beds because these things are pretty deep. I do plan on filling up half of this stuff with like debris and wood and soil. It's like going to be a combination of all those things, but I still want to make sure that it is supported by this. I believe it's supported by it, but at the same time I'm like, I'd rather be safe than sorry. I still have to be able to push these around. Yeah, I want to make sure it's supported. I may just do one way and one another way, just to start the process, you know. But no, I'm gonna put another reinforcement down. That's what's gonna happen. We're gonna be safe than sorry. So let me go ahead and put this piece of plywood there. This piece to this, well, this piece to this piece. So whenever the garden bed's on top of here, it won't just be pushed by this plywood like that. So that's where we're at. On the ground, like for weed barrier. What I'm gonna do, since we are at a recalibration point, I am gonna put this weed paper on top of this, and I'm gonna put the garden bed on top of that. So it's gonna be like layering a cake. Okay, that's our goal. We're in transition, we're trying something new. I haven't saw this anywhere. This is just what I'm doing. It's from end to end. Now I don't have to worry about when I get ready to push this off. Ask me how it's gonna get pushed off. I don't even know. You already know what's going to happen next. And I'm happy about it. I at least wanted to get one of them done. Not feeling 100% right now, but that's okay, because I've got one done. Filling it up is going to be the easy part. So this is the kind of stuff that I'm going to be filling it up with. I've got leaves. I've got a lot of stuff. I pull this specifically. You see my sunflowers? Okay, so look, I don't know if this right here is a weed or a sunflower or what. I think this is a weed, but it looks like it got flowers on the end of it. And if you look right here, these right here are weeds too. Right here, I have sunflowers. See? So I was trying to figure out what's the difference with the leaves between the sunflowers and those other plants, those other weeds that's growing. But yeah. Hello, good morning, good morning, good morning, Empresses and Emperors. Hello, my plants are speaking to you. They're saying hello, hello, hello. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull them. So I got a bunch of them popping up. I know they ain't nothing but weeds. Yeah, that's not why I came around here, but that needed to happen. Y'all know when you get in the middle of doing something, it's like one thing will happen, another thing will happen. This I've had, so it should be good. And it's heavy, alright. That was a combination of weeds, dirt. So I cut the grass too. I'm gonna go get some of the grass clippings. Also, and pour those in. I think I done filled it up enough. I know it's gonna go down. I know it's gonna go down once I start putting the soil in. So I'm not too worried about this, you know? But yeah, this how we looking. So I filled it up with a lot of oh, maybe too much. Maybe too much. Maybe I got too much stuff in there, y'all. I'm gonna leave it. Even looking down in here, right here, there's like pockets that haven't been filled in. And if I push it down all the way, see, like, look at there. There's a pocket right there. It hadn't even been filled in. Right all in that. The grass can go down in there. Ooh. Yeah. I'm just gonna push this stuff down more, because I'm pretty sure it's gonna sink even more the more I push it up. Oh God, I'm standing in the middle of the thing. Y'all, I forgot about that. I forgot I had the things in the middle. I forgot about that. Shoot. Girl, I was standing on these things that hold that braces and totally forgot about that. I totally forgot about that. It held it. Okay, Walmart. It held it. Y'all know what's next. We're just gonna do one at a time for right now, because we still got to do this one, which everything is already out here. It just needs to be done. I got the plywood on deck right here. Put additional plywood, or either put an additional piece of this stuff. Well, no, this is for, because I got 2 more garden beds to put together the same exact way. So I'm gonna have a strip of plywood. I just wanted something additional that could brace it. You know what I mean? Like up under the bottom, because I didn't want it sinking in. That was my thing, for it not to sink in the middle. Especially, this is what's popping. This is what we doing. We out here sweating right now. It's time for me to take a little relaxation moment to get myself together. Yeah.